single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Christmas related kind of look. I don't really know what I want, but as I'm going to create something nice. So yeah, I already got my eyebrows done. I have a video on how I do my brows, and I'm just going to jump right into the video. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using this eyelid, and I'm using my hands to apply that. Taking this puffy palette, and I'm using the colorful part of this palette, this shade here. I'm going to use this as a transition shade. I'm going in with my Take Me to Brazil palette shade here. Yeah, so much pink. I'm mixing these two shades, sort of dipping that. Taking the same blending brush I used to blend the yellow and just blend that out. Add more definition. I'm going in with this blue shade. Now I'm using the same brush I used to do that. Blending that out. I'm blending the blue shade out. So I'm gonna go in with a very small brush, and I'm going in with this palette, the Blossom 24 color ice cream shadow. I'm using this shade called Ima for. I'll have to blend that concealer again. I'm not setting it though. I'm not certain. Taking the shade called April, it's a yellow shade, this shade, and I'm putting it right here. Then taking my eyeliner, draw me some wing. I'm always opening the wrong part of this eyeliner. A very long wing. Yes. But there cannot be Christmas look without glitter. It's like, how can you do a Christmas look without glitter? So this is what I will be using. I'm using this two stuff. This is a glue, a lash glue, but I love using it for my glitter because it tends to hold my glitter really good. Taking an eyeliner brush, I'm going to use this to just so tapping my silver glitter and just putting that. going in with my NYX Gel pencil in milk, putting it in. I'm going to be using this shade called Nicole. This shade Nicole for my tear dots. I'm using this pencil to line my under eye. And I'm smoking this shade. I'm always mistaking this shade for Ima, but this is Jane and this is Ima. I'm using this shade Ima to smoke my eyeliner. I'm mixing this blue shade to blend that out as well. Down to my face. You guys already know what I'll be using, the makeup magician. I'm just gonna use this just to my T-zone because this weather is really really dry. And the perimeters of my face are always dry. Just my T-zone that get oily because I have combination skin. Why this is drying, I need to get some water and chill. This is drying. I'm gonna be using this lashes. I'm gonna be using this lashes on my eyes, and the name of the lashes is Afela eyelashes in number 5. Yeah, this is the eyelash. I'm gonna be using my Lanel exclusive hair bonding glue super bond. This is what I'm using. I'm using a tad bit. Because this stuff tends to hold like crazy. Like let me know if it start being like. That lash is drying. I'm always opening the wrong part. I'm gonna extend my eyeliner. I know I've been jumping back and forth just to make everything look nice. Oh shit! I just did this to my eyeshadow. Like, can you guys see that? I just did that to my eyeshadow. So for my face, I'm gonna be mixing the Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation in the shade 360 Mocha and NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Gleam. And this is mixing that to blend that into my skin. I'm using, this is how it's looking. I'm using my damp beauty blender to do that. I'm just using that to mix as well. Concealer. For concealer, I'm going in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. I love my concealer to be I love my highlights to be really light. My face says X marks, guys. Setting my face using the Benai banana powder. So taking my damp blender, I've used this part, so I'm using this other part. If you can notice the clean part, to just press in this powder. I'm using the darkest shade to contour my face. Recently, I've been liking something, and I love blending my blush into my contour and bringing it upward. Like I love putting my blush in my contour area and just bringing it upward. They're just this way it looks that I love. So for blush, like this Zickel palette is like Bay of Bay for blush. Like I've been so obsessed with this palette. If I actually want to do a client makeup, I use this palette. Like I use this palette. This is not even like washing Zickel or whatever, but this palette, I love it. I love it like so much, so much. I love the tones of the blush and the powder. I'm going to use this blush and this blush for my face. This is in my contour area. Bring it upward. And can you guys see that? To blend my whole face together, all this drama that happening. Yeah. I'm using this. For my lip, I'm taking this BH Cosmetics 66 color palette lip gloss, and I'm taking this shade. Taking that shade. It's sort of like a shimmer pink lip color. Victoria's Secret lip gloss. I have this lip gloss for since ages. Like it's a shimmer gloss. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Plus don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and follow me on Snapchat. My details will be down below in the description bar. So yeah, this is the look I came up with. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've said that a million times. Peace, y'all.